skies over the ocean, a golden ray. Three guys on a mission, it's time to play. With Terry and Ken, what a crew we've made. Adventure in San Diego, we're sailing away. Laughter in the air, the sea breeze so fine. Swapping stories and jokes, oh, sipping on wine. The waves are our song, the sail catches the light. This weekend together feels perfectly right. Oh, sailing in San Diego, the world feels so free. With friends by my side, just the ocean me. Memories we're making, they will never fade. An unforgettable adventure in the sun and the shade. Ken's a diehard fan, with his heart on his sleeve. Carried that TV, couldn't believe. As we set out on waves, he slipped below. Currents tightly drawn, oh, where did he go? A cork on the ocean, rock side to side, cheering for his team while we laughed outside. But when he surfaced, oh, what a sight. He looked a bit green, oh, it gave us delight. Oh, sailing in San Diego, the world feels so free. With friends by my side, just the ocean and me. Memories we're making, they will never fade. An unforgettable adventure in the sun and the shade. Every wave that we rode, every joke that we shared, brought us closer each moment, knowing someone cared. Ken's legendary exit made us roll with glee. It's moments like these that shape our story. Terry's got charm, with a smile that could light the darkest of days, and he shines ever bright. Together we created a bond that's so strong, through laughter and